And this is our rabbit hutch. As you can see, it's just a big cage that we made into a hutch. It's got some little houses in there. This isn't your typical rabbit hutch, but it actually works pretty good. We have a couple chickens in here that are injured or aren't quite big enough to go out. And as you can see, the rabbits have actually dug in a den down into the hay, and this is where they go to have their babies. So they will go down into this burrow down here. Let me see if I can get down here farther so you can see it. See how far it actually goes back. But it goes pretty far back up, and there's a baby bunny. See, there you go. But the bunnies go down there, they have their babies, and then they come out. Most people say you can't have your bucks in with your does. We've had the same buck in here for a long time, so I guess we're pretty lucky. He has never eaten a baby. He's very good with them, but you know, like I said, they don't suggest that you have your bucks and your does together. But these are our rabbits. It's getting to be summer, so everybody's kind of getting mangy looking. They're losing their winter coats. And believe it or not, there's another house over there that they've buried that they can just go in and out. Like this house, they've pretty much buried too. But these are our bunnies. And if you're looking for rabbits for sustainability, they do reproduce quickly. And thanks for watching.